In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add AI color palettes on your videos in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So by adding color palettes on your video, you'll be able to enhance the appearance of your video. And to do so in Filmora, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and first add your video on your timeline. As for me, I've already added mine. Then from here, go ahead and right click on your timeline and then go to this option called Smart Edit Tools. From this, look for this option called AI Color Palette and then click on it. Now here, we can add various palettes on our video as we wish, and we can begin with the presets on top here. You can see currently they are set to default. If you wish to change this, you can change them using the default here, and each and every palette that you choose will bring a transformation on your video, and you can see how it is applied. So go ahead and choose the one that you prefer, and that will be it. You can also go ahead and adjust your LUT presets. As you can see currently the LUT preset is set to none. You can also go ahead and choose any of these, and look at that. If I hover over each and every LUT, you can see the changes that will be applied here. You can also go ahead and adjust the strengths, and you can see the changes if you go ahead and increase or reduce the strengths on your video, as well as you can also go ahead and change the protect skin tone by adjusting this. And for this function has to be enabled or updated for it to work. However, we are interested in AI color palettes, and you can see the AI color palette is currently turned off. If you go ahead and turn on, now look at that. We have the comparison and the generation is available for us here. So if I go ahead and click on generate, then the generation will go ahead and we shall have our AI color palettes generated. Once your generation is done, you can also do some adjustments such as strengths. You can also adjust even the temperature, and the variables are just too many. So you go ahead and play around with them, even the light, the exposure, to see what works for you. So that's how you can add AI color palettes on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.